Good morning, kindergarten. So you know what time it is now. When you see the sky and the grass, it's time to learn another letter. And just to say, we are learning these letters out of order of the alphabet because we try to group some of the letters together that have similar paths of motion. And what that means is when we make the letter, form it with our pencil or a marker, or even trace it with our finger, that lots of these letters have things in common. So today's letter is the letter A. And the letter A makes the sound ah, like an apple. Now letter A later on in kindergarten will make some different sounds, and we'll talk about those later. So let's start with capital A, or uppercase. So I've got my marker ready, and I always start at the top. So to make uppercase A, slant down, and across. So I'm going to practice some of those. Slant down, across, and then one more. Slant down, across. And then again, if you want to finger trace them, if you have a whiteboard, you can erase with them. Slant down, across. If you just had traced with pencil, then you would just trace it. Slant down, across, slant down, across. So that's uppercase A. Lowercase a is a lot like the lowercase c and o, so that's why we've grouped this letter. So lowercase a goes over, around, down. And I always kind of think of that like a little kickstand that you might have on your bicycle to hold it up to keep it from rolling over. So lowercase a, over, around, down. Notice when we're going over, we're going this way, okay? So I'm not a left-handed person, but if I was, we would still make it the same way. Over, around, down. Okay, it would still form the same way. You'd still go over. So I'll do one more. Over, around, oopsie, keep moving my board, down. And that's my A. Let me try that one more time. Over, around, down. So we want that little stick there. That would, if we were writing on lined paper, it would touch the line. It wouldn't go below it, it wouldn't go up above, it would be right there. And then to finger trace, I could finger trace and erase. Over, around, down, over, around, down, over, around, down, over, around, down. So those are lowercase a. So today for Seesaw, you will practice making some uppercase A's and some lowercase A's. Again, you could submit it on your iPad. You would just want to use a stylus, which is a tool that you can use to write on your iPad, or you can write in pencil or a marker, just some sort of writing tool so that you are holding that pencil or tool in your hand. Okay, thanks.